Hi everyone, good morning. Let's have a quick energy check. I am going to start with the oracle cards. Let's just see how it's gonna be for us today. Let me just quickly check the energy. Mm, Okay, I'm gonna take this card. Libra, balance. Interesting. And the message. Okay. So overall, I can sense that you are asked to actually balance out some situations, particularly your communication styles. Like, how do you talk? How do you actually communicate with people? Are you very mean to them, or you are somebody who actually doesn't think before they speak? So the time is now when you have to do it basically. You cannot just go out and start saying certain things to people which you might not mean exactly, but somehow you communicate it. So I believe strongly you need to balance out your communication style, the way you are communicating. That needs to be changed. You need to be more humble. You need to consider other people also. And this kind of situation I'm mostly seeing in your personal life, which could be if you are married. So in that marriage situation, it could be the possibility that you are not considering the other person's emotion and you are just throwing out yourself in a way that you are just speaking what is your and what is in your head or heart, but you are not considering other people's emotion, and that might be a reason for fighting. And another situation which or scenario I can see from here is that you are in a work situation or a business partnership or any sort of partnership with somebody in your professional life, or it could be your colleagues as well, but you probably are not paying attention to their emotions, their way of addressing you, or the way you are addressing them. It needs to be balanced out. You have to think back to these things. Other than that, I also see that there needs to be a balance in your overall I would say diet or nutrition, something like that. I'm picturing. So you need to have a balanced diet basically to be or to maintain your health a lot. I don't know why I want to say this thing, but if some of you people are facing this problem, or like morning lethargy you have, where you do not feel like waking up or doing something anything after that, probably it's a sign that your body is telling that like the night before you are not giving it enough nutrition, and in the morning it doesn't have the energy. So you have to really pay attention to what you are putting inside your body, because it is a vessel which you need to worship. So treat your body properly, so specifically in terms of your diet and your work life balance, that should not affect your body, something like that. So the balance is the overall energy. Let's move ahead with the tarot card. Let's see how the energy is gonna be now. What are the other things which we should see basically, which we should know about? Okay. Do let me know. Do you prefer this setup or the previous setup? So the video which I posted yesterday, do you prefer that setup or do you prefer this setup? Because anyhow, my friends, it is whatever I'm doing, it's just doing for you, and I want at the last that your preference should be taken care of. So definitely put it in the chat box. Okay, let's just move ahead and see how's the energy gonna be today. Okay, let's see what is the energy shift for today. I feel the energy is not shifting. Energy is quite similar, but shift mode basically. Okay, so however the energy is, let's just check it. However the energy is, let's check it. Okay. The cards are quite reluctant to come actually. Oh, Page of Wands. I don't know. I feel like this is you. Page of Wands is preferably you. Wow. That's kind of cool. Okay, the very first message which I get over here is you're actually, seeing your future self. You're actually mirroring back to, or you're getting your projection back from your future self. Or another message, very quick. If you don't have a vision board, preferably for the next 7 months, I don't know, next 7 to 1 year, kind of that, you should have that. It's not way bigger, it is smaller, but definitely it is what can actually show you the greater picture of something. Maybe you end up manifesting a really good role and position. Probably you are, in a very early stage of your career, because I feel it's a career situation, and probably in the coming 6 7 months, 6 to 7 months, you might see a good shift in it. But for that, I feel you need to have a vision board for something like that, or you might be admiring someone. That can also happen. You are, because that Page of Wands is your energy, and you are a very naive person, right? You are a very naive person, and naive in the sense, don't take it otherwise. You are, in a inexperience wise, you are somebody who, okay, earlier 10 also came, and now also 10 came. Okay, I'm gonna clarify that as well. Okay. Is this 10 of swords here? It's anyhow 10 of. Okay, I'm just gonna pick them up and let me just put them aside. Okay, we have 9. Mirroring energy is there, definitely mirroring energy is there. And see, 10, 10, 9, 9. Wow. And that is a completion of something. As again, I'll mention this point, you're actually shifting into something. The process which was there behind is somehow completing. And the completion I can truly see here. Another thing is the burden, or probably just Mhm. The burden, or anything related to your sense of ability, or maybe looking at your own self, has changed over a period of time. See, when I said this message of vision board, probably I see a self of yours which is quite insecure in terms of, actually manifesting something. So basically you're exhausted, right? So exhaustion can actually lend you feel that, oh, okay, I'm not good enough to actually achieve anything, and let me not just get into booster whatever I have, let me just protect whatever I have, and let me just move on with that. Let me just move on with the pain I have. Let me just carry on with that. The boundaries which I made for myself, I'm happy sitting in these boundaries. This seems fulfilling to me. Actually not. Even, what message I'm getting is, do not if let's say, for example, you are in a position where you see a future. Okay, we are in a job situation where you definitely see a future. Do not see that only as an end game. The universe is clearly picturing out you. What you are doing is, you're actually, whatever pain you might get, you will just carry on with that. And the boundaries which you made, either in, or the career which made you, sit in a boundaries, whatever is there, you are happy in that. You don't realize that that's not something which is really good, because the back intention is very self protection basically. But it is not just self protection, it is self destruction. It start going over there. So the boundaries which you are creating, the pain which you are taking, is not something which is going to be fulfilling for you. You need to move ahead of that, because the back of the deck energy is definitely a call of the time and a better future, a promise of a better future. So just don't see this as an end game again. Just wake up, have a wake up call. And okay, whatever I am, the situation is, let me see how much compromises I am making over here. Let me just see that reality. If I'm really making only the compromises here, then probably it's not for me. And if it is not for me, then why I'm wasting my time in this energy? Because I have some better things to taken care of, or by me, the other positions, which might be, more, whatever position you have right now, you are supposed to move to a more fulfilling positions, which will be actually inclined toward your own divine feminine. It is not going to be that masculine role. If you are a female and you're in a masculine situation, or masculine world, then you might have to shift into this kind of scenarios where you are just being, because this energy is being present, but this energy is doing. I'm doing something. So being and doing is quite different, and you have to come into that being consciousness where you're just present, right? You don't have to do anything. You are present. Your presence speaks louder. So that kind of wake up energy you need to have here, and that is really gonna help you out with this. And coming back to this older message, whatever you see, whatever you project, even if you're projecting towards somebody else, just remember everybody has their own battles, right? You are looking up to somebody, you are admiring someone, that's really good. But whatever the case and whatever the situation is, do not see that person as in what they are sitting and they're just all glittery, because they have also gone through a process. They also have the boundaries. They also have made their boundaries the comfort zone, and they're sitting in that comfort zone. And you might, because I see that person also looks up to you. Okay, that person really had some admiration, but you are more determined and you're more admiring towards it. The intensity is quite higher, but you both have the same, you are from the same fabric, see the same fabric is there. They also see the younger self in you. They also see that. And moreover, you're made up of the same thing, but do not see just that person as an end game, because they are not. You might have to travel, you might have to do a lot of other things, because that's a wake up call, because you cannot lend forever on somebody. So this is another message. If it resonates with somebody, just take it for you, because that I see other than you yourself. Or I see, if you're single, you might end up meeting somebody who is just similar to you. That person had the same history, the same past, the way you are. Of course, that person is an older side and is very, very, very masculine and has hold a position. And he too had some sort of ending in the past, or maybe some sort of. I want to know a bit about this person. This person had to move on from a lot of situation, specifically the love related situation. That person had to move on, and had his own battles to fight with. But again, the message is quite clear. You should not end here. You are not supposed to end here. You are supposed to move forward, and that is something which is really important for you. And probably you should go ahead with that kind of situation. That is something which I really see precisely for you. And yeah, so that's all from my side. Thank you for connecting, and we should be connecting soon. Thank you. Bye bye.